Most investors lose money for one simple reason. They buy stocks that look cheap. A stock falls 30%, 40%, even 60%, and suddenly people think, wow, what a bargain. But what if I told you that some of the biggest investing disasters in history look cheap all the way down? Before you buy your next stock, there's one simple test you should always do. It takes less than 30 seconds, and it could save you thousands of dollars. It's called the trend test. Most new investors enter the market searching for the next big winner. But instead of finding a stock that skyrockets, they often end up holding positions that slowly destroy their portfolio. Maybe you've experienced it yourself. You buy a stock after a big drop because everyone says it's undervalued. Then it falls another 20%, then another 20%, and suddenly what looked like an opportunity becomes a painful lesson. You're not alone. This is one of the most common mistakes investors make. Here's the good news. You don't need a finance degree, you don't need complicated spreadsheets, and you definitely don't need to spend hours reading annual reports. Instead, before investing in any company, zoom out. Look at the 6-month chart, then the 1-year chart, and finally, the 3-year chart. Now ask yourself one simple question. Is this company creating value over time or destroying it? If a stock has been making lower highs and lower lows for years, that's often a warning sign. It may mean that investors are losing confidence in the business. Does that automatically mean the company's bad? No. But it does mean you should slow down, ask more questions, and do deeper research before risking your money. Remember this, a stock can always get cheaper. Many investors learn this lesson the hard way. One of the biggest dangers in investing is hype. Financial media, social media influencers, and online forums can make struggling companies sound like the opportunity of a lifetime. But successful investing isn't about excitement. It's about discipline. The goal isn't to find the hottest stock. The goal is to avoid unnecessary mistakes. Because protecting your capital is just as important as growing it. Great investors understand something that most people ignore. You don't have to own every stock. You don't have to chase every trend. And you definitely don't need to catch every market rally. Investing isn't a race. It's a long-term game. The investors who win are usually the ones who stay in the game long enough for compounding to do the heavy lifting. So before you buy your next stock, remember this. Zoom out, study the trend, then make your decision. No indicator is perfect, but a strong long-term trend can often be a sign that a business is executing well and earning investor confidence. If you found this video valuable and want practical, data-driven investing insights without the hype, make sure to subscribe to Capital Coach. And now I want to hear from you. Have you ever bought a stock because it looked cheap, only to watch it keep falling? What did that experience teach you? Let me know in the comments below.